Today I will be talking about 3D printing. 3D printing is the process of creating a physical object from a digital design. It is constructed, then a 3D printer will work by laying down thin layers of material, then fusing them together to create the product you designed. Some of these materials include liquid or powdered plastic, metal, or cement. Other than people who use 3D printing for fun, it can also be used by major companies like Ford, Volvo, and BMW to create rapid prototyping and experimental parts. 3D printing can also save companies labor costs and time. 3D printing can bring jobs within the hardware, software, and materials needed components of the process, especially for mechanical engineers. The price of 3D printing can range from someone who just does it for fun. Those types of 3D printers can be between $200 to $500, all the way to up to thousands of dollars, like $6,000. The United States is one of the top countries for 3D printing, followed by the United Kingdom and Germany. Japan has rapidly started the development in its 3D printing industry as the demand keeps increasing in their country. In Japan, there has been a strong interest in 3D printing in the healthcare industry specifically. A professor of tissue engineering at the University of Tokyo School of Medicine noted that 3D printing technology will remain a vital element for the growth of regenerative medicine industry. The weakness of 3D printing includes limited materials, restricted build size, and even copyright issues. 3D printing in Japan can also have a huge positive impact on the environment. It can help reduce manufacturing waste while also lowering the carbon footprint and support the circular economy. My two truths and a lie about 3D printing are: Japan started using 3D printing in the 1990s. You can 3D print large items anywhere. And Japan's equipment sales on 3D printing was about almost $300 million in 2017.